your bus has one of these. It's a Sharp Carousel convection oven. This one's in bad shape. The transformer blew up in it. I think I have some video of that. I'll put that in here if I do. And here's the model number information right there, R1850. And what we're replacing it with is, and I'll show you once we get it in there, but shoot. There it is. So it's an R1874 is the one that's supposed to be the same. So we actually already got the new back panel, had this little insulation strip on it, so I replaced the back panel, but the bolt pattern and everything is the same. So it just bolted right up in the same spot, so we can hang it up there. These are kind of special because they have these screws that come up through the bottom that hold it into this back panel. They come at an angle and come up in there, and I'll show you when we go to put this in there where those are at. So you can't really just get any over-the-counter microwave, won't work. So I was going to show you, I didn't show taking this old one out, but I got it on the side here. But you've got to remove the screws here, and then this whole panel swings open, and then you can get to these guys to release it. I haven't seen this style before, but so they're behind this panel right here. So you got to remove the screws on that panel and then swing it down, and then you can lower this one down. So that's the old one. Alright, so the original microwave came with these little L brackets on the top that screw to these little wood blocks. So they were a little too far forward or back, so I moved them forward about a ½ inch so that they would meet up with that. So, and we'll show you once we get it up here how that screws in. We just set this thing on these styrofoam to help lean it up in there, but the box is made to actually cut it and lay it on the box. But this works pretty good too. So here on the bottom, these are those little screws that go all the way up and then screw into the back panel. There's one there and one on that side. So you tighten those up and that pulls that up. And then you can see up here, we're going to run a screw into there, into that wood there, on that side and on that side. It's still too far forward. Alright, so that's all there, and then you got this little piece of wood here. It's got, this is on an American Eagle, but it'll probably be similar on many different models, and that just velcros to that guy. And later on you need to access this, just pull on it and it pulls out of there. This is a new stainless steel, the new model stainless steel. So that's about it. Plug it in the cabinet here and put this escutcheon back on here.